Union Home Minister Amit Shah has once again sparked controversy by directly linking Article 370 with the rise of terrorism in Kashmir. Speaking at the launch of the book Jammu Kashmir Evam Ladakh on January 2, 2025 in New Delhi, Shah argued that the controversial provision sowed seeds of separatism among Kashmiri youth, fostering an environment where terrorism thrived. The case against Article 370. Article 370 was also abrogated in August 2019 that gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir. According to Shah, this provision encouraged the mentality that Kashmir is a place in India, but a temporary affair of India with the state, allowing fertile ground for separatist mentality. Why did terrorism not spread to other Muslim majority regions in the country? Shah asked while citing examples of bordering states Gujarat and Rajasthan where terrorism is non-existent. Shah said that Article 370 had been a disastrous law for the region as gradually separatism transformed into terrorism. It is unfortunate that 40,000 people lost their lives. A historical context. His comments emphasize the government's own narrative of how Article 370 had placed Jammu and Kashmir in legal as well as emotional isolation from the rest of India. That is how he claimed it created space for external agencies like Pakistan to capitalize on the weaknesses and cause mayhem. The Home Minister's comment sought to present an alternative narrative about what was causing conflict in the region, as underlined by the book being released. Why Kashmir and not others? He noted that though India is home to numerous Muslim majority regions, the activities of terrorists remain strictly in Kashmir when contrasted with Gujarat and Rajasthan states along with Pakistan's border. The minister proved the idea that it is proximity to Pakistan that led to terrorism by denying that such states along Pakistan's border had to bear with scourge of terrorism. He held Article 370 responsible for spreading false notions, factionalism, which later became violent. Book and its message. Jammu Kashmir Evam Ladakh is a book that has been written with an aim to bring out facts regarding the region's history, issues, and political scenario about abrogation of Article 370. According to Shah, countering dominant narratives about Kashmir needed an alternative narrative in the context of facts and national interest. A divisive issue. Abrogation of Article 370 still remains a politically polarizing factor in India. The supporters claimed that it was a necessary move to fully integrate Jammu and Kashmir into the Indian mainstream and bring development by curbing terrorism. Critics of the move stated that it eroded federalism and alienated the local population. Shah's remarks add more fuel to the burning debate, further raising questions over the long-term effect of Article 370, whether its abrogation would truly solve the issue too purportedly created.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.